When I'm still not finding a job, no matter how hard I'm trying, the first thing I like to do is take stock of my current situation. I ask myself if I'm doing something wrong in my approach or looking in the wrong places for work. Sometimes changing the method is enough to make things work. This might mean making changes to an already updated resume or altering the language I've been using in my interviews or cover letter. If changing the method doesn't bear fruit, then I change what I'm looking for. More than once, I've ended up in a job that was completely unexpected and different from what I was doing previously. So if I'm having no luck where I'm searching, I expand the search, contacting people in my network, and using online tools to find positions that require my expertise. I also might look for inspiration in various job hunting videos or guides posted online. Sometimes a little external advice can spark new ideas. There are new and very interesting careers being discovered every year. It's fascinating to see how the job market evolves and what opportunities might be out there. Even if it takes me some time, I remind myself that there is certainly something out there for me, and if it isn't there yet, it's about to be. Staying positive is key, really. Are my financials in order? It's crucial to keep track of my finances during this period, just to make sure everything is balanced and I can manage through the job search.